Aag is also called as Agni, Jwala, Shuchi, Dahan, Dhumketu, Krushanu, Anal, Pavak, Hutashan. Surya is also called as Suraj, Ravi, Dinkar, Bhaskar, Bhanu, Prabhakar, Dinesh, Matrand, Savita. Our earth, Prithvi, is also called as Dharti, Bhumi, Bhu, Vasundhara, Dhara, Achila, Vasudha, Dharani and Avani. So what are all these words called? They are called as Samanarthi Shabd. So Samanarthi Shabd for fire, that is Aag, can be so many. Samanarthi Shabd for sun, that is Surya, can be so many. Samanarthi Shabd for earth, globe or Prithvi, can be so many. So these Samanarthi Shabd are commonly called as Paryavachi Shabd. So Paryavachi is actually a Hindi term that is getting translated as synonyms in English. So in the context of language, synonyms are words that have similar meanings. So if you want to know the definition of Paryavachi Shabd in Hindi, then I can say that जिन शब्दों के अर्थ में समानता होती है, जिन शब्दों के अर्थ में समानता होती है उसे पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं. समानता means similarity. If two words are having same meaning, then you call them as a Paryavachi Shabd or what we call as synonyms in English. Okay. Few more examples are like, for example, if I want to tell that something is beautiful, I call it as Sundar in Hindi, but I can also call it as Khoobsurat or Akarshak in Hindi. Like that only for a poor, I call it as Garib in Hindi. But poor can also be told as Deen or Nirdhan in Hindi. Similarly, Bada means big, so Bada is having same meaning for Mahan and Vishal. So these are all Paryavachi Shabd which is there in our syllabus for general Hindi for EMRS. Okay, so I have been getting many requests from aspirants who are writing EMRS this time to take more classes. But unfortunately, my classes, very few persons are watching them and I am not getting many likes. So I thought that maybe you all don't need these classes. But because of requests of aspirants recently, I am making this another class and I really hope that this class will also help you. So what I am going to do in this class is, I will discuss a few important Paryavachi Shabd and also I have made one list for Paryavachi Shabd. You will get the link of that list in the comment section and in description also. So you can click that link and you can learn all the important Paryavachi Shabd which are I think enough for this exam. Okay. Apart from the Paryavachi Shabd which we will be discussing in this class, that list will be enough for you. Okay. So let us start with the few Paryavachi Shabd. Wealthy. Wealthy means Dhani. So Dhani is also known as Samruddha, Shriman. Like that only Shakti, that is power. Another words used to describe Shakti can be Samarthya, Bal. Buddhiman. Buddhiman means we all know, right? It is intelligent. So Buddhiman means another words used to explain same thing is Jnani, Pragyavan. Like that only we have a Akalmand. So Buddhiman is a intelligent guy. So intelligent guy means in our regional languages also, in Kannada or Telugu or some other regional languages, it is very similar. Like Jnani is like common thing, right? So Akalmand is also a very simple language to understand. So what we have to do is we have to relate the Hindi words with our regional language and then try to understand the meaning. then we will be very easily able to find out the correct Paryavachi Shabd. Okay? Khushi, that is happiness. Anand, see Anand, in Kannada also Anand means happiness only, right? Ananda we say. Khushiyan, Khushiyan is like a sort of a plural form of Khushi, you can say. Okay? Sukh, Sukhanga unnandi, like that is Telugu, right? So I'm giving you simple examples. The words are very much matching with our regional language, so we don't need to worry much about Paryavachi Shabd. Okay, one thing is, though our Hindi is not very strong, I mean to say, though we are not able to understand Hindi, single words are very much easier to understand when you compare them with our regional language. Okay, so I keep telling this in all my classes. Friends, please take it lightly. Don't make things very much serious in the examination. When you get any question from Paryavachi or Vilom Shabd or from idioms, what you have to do is relate them to your regional language. Then things will become very much easier, and I am sure you will be happily answering the questions from general Hindi part. Okay? Okay, few more examples let us see. Samaj, that is our society. Another names are Samuday, Lok and Samajik Sanghatan. Then Sarkar, this though is no problem at all. Sarkara we say or Sarkar we say, that is government only. So what are the other words we use to call government? It is Shasan, Prashasan, Rajya. Okay? Then we have Vigyan, Vigyana or Vigyan, science, right? So Tat Vigyan, Vigyan Shastra and Vigyan or Prodhyogiki. Then few more let us see. Admi, that is man. What is the Paryavachi for Admi? Purush, Manushya, Vyakti. Okay? Shikshak, what is the Paryavachi for teacher? Shikshak. Adhyapak, Adhyay, Upadhyay, Guru. Okay, see, Guru is very much similar to Shikshak, right? So Guru is normally Guru, Gurudev. We use these words in our regional languages also, correct? So it is very easy to understand. So make fundas like these or make some mnemonics or relate it to your regional language, and please try to learn this Paryavachi Shabd. Okay? Then school. School we have Vidyalaya, Pathshala and Shala. So all these are Paryavachi Shabd for school. Then we have another important word, Vishesh, means special. So what is the Paryavachi for Vishesh? Vishisht, Atyant, Visheshagya. Then Vishwas, trust. Paryavachi for Vishwas is Astha, Vishwas, Nishtha. Then freedom, Swatantrata. Paryavachi will be Mukti, Swadhinta, Azadi. So all these three words are indicating freedom only. Okay? Food, Bhojan, Ahar, Khadya, Prahari. See, Bhojan means you can relate very nicely with food, right? So Ahar, Ahara. In Kannada it is Ahara, right? Then Khadya. Khadya means you can say, you can relate it to pesticides also, like the food of the plants. Okay? Then Prahari. All this is Bhojan. Swasthya, health. So Paryavachi Shabd will be Arogya. See, Arogya, Arogya. Rog, Nirogi. Sharirik, Swasthya. So all these are indications to Swasthya only. Okay? Sahas, courage. Parakram, Parakrami or Parakram. Dhairya, Dhairya. Dhairyaದಿಂದಿರಬೇಕು, they say, right? So you should stay with courage, they say. So Dhairya, Parakram, Veerta, Sahas. Okay? So all these are Paryavachi Shabd for courage. Shiksha, education. Vidya, Shikshan, Jnan. So all these are Paryavarti Shabd for education. Okay. So, okay friends. So these were the most important Paryavachi Shabd. So I have made a very good list of more Paryavachi Shabd. You can click the link in the comment section or in the description for that list. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video more and more among your friends and other aspirants who need general Hindi classes for EMRS, because if I get many views and many likes, then only I will make the next class. Okay, and also let me know which class do you want in the comment section. I will try to make that class in 1 or 2 days if and only if I have many likes for this video. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.